Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about how to raise your evening gown pageant score.
Alright guys, so today we are discussing evening gown scores. It is really important for all our pageant ladies to raise that score. It can be a tough category. Make sure you hang on till the end and we're going to share with you the top colors that we've seen winning in the last 10 years.
Alright, so jumping right in, number one, the first tip is to pick a dress with lines that complement your body style.
Exactly. So take a look at your body shape. Do you have more of a boyish figure with the straight lines, or do you have a more curvy figure like an hourglass? Make sure that you choose a dress that's going to complement that and is going to accentuate the good parts of your body and the parts that you want to change a little bit and the look that you want to have at the end for them to see.
Number two is to make sure your dress helps you stand out from the other competitors.
Definitely. And now the danger here sometimes is that you could stand out a little too much. Sometimes contestants will try to do something crazy like, a neon pink dress or something like that. It's a little too much. You want it to stand out, so look for something that has something subtle that kind of pops out, like something in the back or the way the front is done, different things like that. So just something subtle. It doesn't have to be like
you want
in your face.
You want to be remembered, but not in a bad way.
Yes.
Number three is to wear a dress that makes you happy, because you'll have more confidence and it's going to show in your walk.
Definitely. If you're wearing a dress that you're like, I don't like this color, I don't like this way this looks on me, or this part of the dress is uncomfortable, or I hate a train, all of those things, that's going to get in your head and that will affect your score. When you're out on that stage, those things are going to be sitting in there and you don't want that. If there's something negative about the dress or you're uncomfortable with the dress in any way, shape, or form, do not perform in that dress. Do not bring that dress, because you want to feel confident and strong like you said on the stage. And
only so much of it is about the dress. You do have to actually walk down the runway.
Exactly.
So tip number four is to practice your turns in the middle of the runway. Don't forget about those.
Yes, and that is important because, like we said earlier, if you've got a cool feature in the back of your dress that you want them to see, this is the time when you're going to be able to show that. When you do that turn in the middle of the runway, they're going to be like, whoa, that's amazing. And that will give them something then to look at again when you get to the end of the runway and again turn and show them your full dress. So that's key.
Number five is to hold your poses for the judges at the end of the runway.
Exactly, and for that same reason as well, not just to show off the dress, but to show them what you can do and to show them what you look like. And this is also where the judges are looking for your confidence as well. If you're rushing through, then that means you just want to get out of there and your confidence is not showing through. So make sure that you're showing that to them, because that's going to be important for your score.
Yeah. Number six is to make sure you pick a dress that's not going to get caught up in your heels.
Definitely. And the material underneath is what's going to be the key here. Is you don't have to necessarily be conservative. Right now, a big movement is dresses with trains. So this is going to be key for that, because if you're walking out there with a dress with a train, that's going to be an issue. So practice, 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 and make sure that you take every precaution necessary to kind of keep that material away from the back of your heels.
And the last tip is going over the most winning colors of the last 10 years, and they are?
They are white and blue. And the blue is more of a darker type blue, not quite a navy blue, but kind of a darker blue rather than a lighter blue.
This doesn't mean you cannot win if you don't wear white or blue, but those are just the statistics that have borne themselves out over the last 10 years, that those are the most winning dresses.
Definitely.
So we hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe now, leave us a comment, give us a like, and we will see you on the next video.